course, it's Slick Rick, Hip Hop, Big Truck, and Vandal Savage. Yo, I'ma give you a story. It's Big Truck coming out down the block. I see a girl, she looks hot. I think I need to give her this and that. I think it's my cock in her mouth and she tied it in a jab. Oh my god, uppercut, she said she got stabbed. By who? By you, Truck. You fucked me too hard in the fucking butt. Baby girl, I'm not trying to do that to you. I'm just trying to do it for me. I'm sorry, I meant to say I didn't do that. How about we go back to the pad and see a movie? No, you just wanna fuck? Baby girl, my nickname is Truck. Yes, it is, and I do wanna get inside that clit. I wanna feel it with my lips, okay? So now we play some vinyls in the fucking music, hip-hop industry, of course, Illmatic, Nas. Then we put some Slick Rick today. We bust out today, and I fucked that bitch at first date. Oh shit, she said okay. Well, after I fucked her, I couldn't believe it. This bitch was so fine. She had the bombest cleavage and the ass popping out like fucking S's come out from the bottle of the Coca-Cola. Oh shit, I think I'm just smoking on the mic. Or maybe I'm just feeling a little bit too nice. Maybe because I did a pimp game that night. Or maybe I gotta flip the verse and give it a nice twist. Kinda similar to the mic that I ignite with a little flare of a light. I think the flashlight just went on and the other guy's light went off. Oh shit, I think I'm playing too much with it. I'm doing backflips with the beat. I like to romance the motherfucking streets because I know that my voice comes out sweet to people that don't like me. They'll air night me, just do it, no, they crack. Just as likely that I come out on the microphone and give it a beautiful kiss as I leave now. Yo, diddy-dom, Big Trucks on the mic, destroying punks. Check it out, when I spit on the mic, my verses come out to kill even bitches and dykes. Oh shit, hip-hop, the final chords, Big Truck 32, destroying hoes and enemies, frenemies, whatever they are. Fuck you motherfuckers, my boy Vandal Savage is gonna take the mic. And he's gonna fuck that bitch right. I think he made her his wife. Go ahead, my boy.
Bitches and bitches and bitches are getting me. Yo, friends start to look like enemies. Yo, and I'm starting to think that I can trust them. Yo, but I'm on the mic, I'm out to bust them. Dia Boyman. Yo, I'm the Ultraman, I get it on. Yo, I'm stomping out cities like King Kong. Yo, I'm tripping over my big dong schlong. Whoa, cause I'm a silly dumb fuck.